Welcome back. This is part 2 of the Bloomz. So if everything worked out fine, you verified, on your screen you should see something like this. So in our last video, you noticed I created an account called Fake Account, okay? And here it shows that Hubbard Elementary School has verified my participation in that community. Now, one of the cool things here is if you have a significant other, although this says spouse, significant other works great. This is a great place to add those people in to share the calendars and to coordinate some family activities. This is often used by like clubs and daycares and things, and so it kind of shows this on here so you can all work together. But I would encourage you to add your significant other. So if mom, you're the one signing up, add dad on here. I mean, what better way to celebrate the things that the kids do? And I tell you what, guys, when the teachers start going, you're going to want to be on here. They share not only educational things, but photos and videos and things to celebrate. So it's worth adding on that significant other and encouraging them to partner with us. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and click done. And it says, congratulations, woo, now you're joining all of these people. And we're going to go ahead and hit start. All right, so what we have right here is this is the main page on the computer. Now, in the application on your phone, it actually looks a little bit different. In fact, I think that it actually has a much more sleek look on the application on a tablet and on your phone, and that's primarily where it started, but you can also access it here. So if you look right here on the top left hand side, this is where I created Fake Account. This is where you're going to see your name. You can go ahead and add a profile picture because sometimes you might want to communicate with me or the teacher. Really helpful to have a picture there of yourself. Helps to build that connection between you and the teacher. Now, on the left-hand side, you're going to see that you joined Hubbard Elementary right here. Do you see that? That is the community you belong to. Now, once you receive the invite code for your teacher's classroom, you're going to actually see the list of classes right here. Now, we have things like PE music that sometimes create their own. Before the pandemic came, we actually had some after-school Lego clubs. They created their own group. Now, hopefully we'll get back to that and do that. Now, down at the bottom, you can also see a timeline for your individual student. So I'm going to click there, and this right here is going to show you a summary of everything that the teacher is actually putting in. You could even go up here, change the settings for your fake student here by clicking edit, and you can add information in here. Now remember, this is private, so the only people that see that is us. So you're not sharing it with the world, you're not sharing it with everything. This is just a great thing. Now please don't delete your child's profile because we do need that there. All right, I'm going to go back to the main page here, and I'm going to show you a little bit. When you click on the Hubbard Elementary, what you're going to see is our main page, and it kind of works a little bit like Facebook if you're familiar with that. If you scroll down on the page here, you're going to see the update that I actually sent out earlier today. This was our newsletter that I posted. This was actually my oops that I did, I forgot, and then some other posts that you'll see. So you're actually going to see everything that I have posted in this community going way back. So if you want to go back in time and see what we've done, you sure can. The other thing that you can do is over here on the right hand side, there's a little message button. Do you see this right here? It's really, really light. Okay, when you're in your child's classroom, so once you've been added into that classroom, let me go into this demo class real quick and I'll show you. Imagine that, a demo class. All right, so it's setting up the demo class right now, and hopefully it will activate that message feature so that you can see how that works. All right, so we're going to go ahead and turn this on right here. And this might actually be a demo class. Let's see. All right, let's go ahead and close that. You know, this might actually be for teachers. I apologize. I should have tried that part out before. Let's go back over here. This right here, you can actually chat with members within the Hubbard community one-on-one. It's kind of like an instant messaging in Facebook, or I'm a little old, but I think they're the DMs in Instagram. Don't judge me, all you younger parents. But that's a really great way to do it. You can also send a private message to your child's teacher or to me. Now, one last thing, because I only have a few seconds left on this video, this is where you actually set up your account settings, and I would encourage you to go through here. Your email address, don't worry about a phone number. How you get your notifications is also a very important one, and that will be number 3 video. All right, thanks, parents.